Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video.
What is a skibidi toilet map? I don't know why.
How does anyone find that funny? I mean, seriously, how does anyone find that funny? If you laughed at it, there's something seriously wrong with you.
I don't know.
Do you want to do Slendy Tubbies?
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Hello?
Hello?
Hold on. I gotta run to you. We spawned far away.
Bro, you're so far away from me.
Hold on, talk. Okay. I'm gonna find you.
I can hear you. You're getting closer.
Keep talking.
Okay.
2,000 years later.
I don't think there's anything actually here because I went through that whole entire journey to find you. Nothing killed me. But at least I'm pretty sure that we have the same respawn point. There's many spawn points, but there's only one respawn point.
And I know there's like
So if
3
I die,
monsters
you
here.
die. So if I die, you're gonna wanna kill yourself because then we'll pop up in the same place. Oh, we reached the end of the map.
Oh.
Wait. It's a dead end! Get out of here!
Go!
It may be a trap! Come on! They could be heading towards us right now!
They could be. They could actually be. I have a peanut in my mouth. Yes, with the shell in.
Okay, is that why you're coughing?
There's salted peanuts. No. That's why my voice sounds kind of weird.
Step on a crack, break your mom's back.
Oops.
Oops.
I'm actually quite
Step on a
genuinely
crack
scared.
and a nuke launches.
Yeah, let's go.
No head. There's
What?
several entities, and they're all across the map somewhere. Do you think they might be together?
Hold up. Actually, see these little white guys here. They're probably the monsters are like probably.
I just saw
following
some white thing in the sky for a split
them.
second,
My God.
and now it's gone. Let's go. Come on, we gotta walk at the same speed at the same time. What is that?
What is it?
Let's go closer. Come on.
Someone's going off.
What? There's a glitchy thing over there. I thought it was an entity. Bro, this place is giving me the creeps.
I'm thinking of
Even with
Poppy
you, I don't
Playtime
feel
music.
safe.
That's why it makes it scarier for me.
Actually, with you, I feel less safe.
Ah, yes.
I think this way we're safe. Because if we just see an entity, we can just jump down there. And if there's an entity down there, he can't get us. Well, let's jump down. Why is my game lagging each step I take? My game is lagging more each step I take. And how do you get that cool hat? I want it. I want to be a
Wait, I think
bro.
the more it lags, the closer you're getting to it.
Well, it's not lagging that much right now. Come on.
Yeah, because we're not as close to it.
I think it's running away from us because the AI only has that much to see, and we have like less to see. We're gonna walk at the same time, you see.
Okay.
We're gonna actually we
Game over,
My
go!
God!
Go!
Climb the building!
No!
Guys! Climb the building! Climb the building! I purposely got myself jump scared.
Oh no!
Where
Oh
are
no!
we now?
That means the rest of them is somewhere. That white thing was in the sky again! Did you see something?
I see something.
And it's blinking!
21, 43, 54,